I need to go into the storage room here. I'm a little nervous. Would you go with me? The door is slightly ajar. What's that glow back there? It's turning red. Wonder what it is. Ooh, I got the light. No, it's just a lamp. That was a spooky journey into the storage. If you take home the 5th to 8th grade discovery kit this time, you get to make a lamp. You can make it spooky or any other design. To make the lamp, we will first discover some concepts about an electrical circuit. A simple electrical circuit consists of a source of power, in our case, a coin battery. The coin battery has two sides. One side that is marked with a plus, that is the positive side, and the other side, the unmarked side or the negative side. And we need a conductor that will make a path from the positive side of the battery to the negative side of the battery. So here is a piece of copper tape, and I am going to use this piece of copper tape to form a path from the positive side of the battery to the negative side of the battery. So there it is, the continuous path where current is flowing. Now, what are we doing here? Nothing. The energy is just going and draining the battery, somewhat like just sitting around and still getting tired. When there is a continuous path for the electricity to travel from one side of the battery to the other, then this is a closed circuit. See how it forms a little circle around the battery? It's a closed circuit. So now, since we are just wasting all that energy, let's open the circuit. And now we are going to make this energy that's going through do some work. For that, we are going to use an LED or a light emitting diode. Now the light emitting diode also has two sides. The positive side, which is the longer lead. So here are the two leads of the LED. The longer one is the positive side, and the shorter one is the negative side. So we're going to add our LED to the circuit so the energy can do some work. It can light up the LED. All right, so I'm just going to use some tape to stick this onto our battery. And then, remember the LED has two different sides? So we'll connect the positive side of the LED to the positive side of the battery and the negative to the negative. And do you see the light? Now our battery, the energy in our battery is doing some work. It's lit up our light. But do we want our light to be on all the time? What do we do when we don't want our lights on? We use a switch. Right. Now we've closed the circuit again by adding this light. Let's open it again. Let's see, what is a switch? A switch is something that open and close the circuit whenever we want it to. Like what we're doing here. Or causing a gap in the circuit so that electricity doesn't flow at certain times when we have the switch turned to the off position, and when we turn it on, the circuit closes and our light turns on. All right. So now we are going to use these concepts to make our lamp. So to begin, take your cup, use any pattern you would like, and put the pattern over your cup. Use an X-Acto knife. Please have adult supervision at this time and be safe when you're cutting your pattern. So once you've cut your pattern, it's time to make the circuit. So for that, we're going to use the lid to have most of our circuit. Hope you enjoyed making your lamp. So here is a challenge. With the design that we have made, once the battery runs out, because the battery is stuck to our lid, once the battery runs out, your lamp goes off. There is no way to change the battery unless you redo the whole circuit. Can you design a pouch for the battery so that you can pull out a spent battery and put a new one inside and your lamp will work again? Let us know what you discovered. Until the next skit.